Hello everyone, welcome back to the Hacks channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to add into hidden album on iPhone. So here sometimes we have like several media that we want to hide, for example like photos or video from everyone else around us, like including our partner, right? So for me, I will give you an example and the tutorials how to hide several photos and move it into the hidden album. So here just select which pictures or which videos that you want to hide. So just click in the multiple, and then if you can see on the down side in the right corner there are three three small circles, and then just click it, and then there is like tools that say hide with the eyes symbol. So just simply click those and then click hide three photos, and now the three photos is already moved into the hidden album. If you want to check either the album is already filled with the pictures previously, you just need simply click this button twice, okay, and then just scroll until there is like several utilities. You can see there are import, duplicates, and hidden. So once you open the hidden, all of the media, all of the photos or videos that you hide will be shown on your phone again, but it's only you who can access it. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.